I'm done for my noodles. I'll boil for 45 minutes. I have three-fourth grams. Okay. I slice cheese for the for macaroni salad. Here. So yes. Okay. And pickles. I wash the pickles because I buy in the market. I have uh, pasas pieces. This one very small. Later I mix all the ingredients.